Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to move lost off screen window back to desktop in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is our window and it's being lost off in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So in order to or move it to our desktop, we'll be performing a very basic step. So the very first step that we need to do is you need to press and hold the shift key. Okay. So let me just navigate to my button search bar to show you completely what exactly keys are you going to press on so that you would avoid any mistake or error. So let me just type for on screen here and let me just bring up my on screen keyboard. Now you would be able to see two shift keys, which is a shift key being placed at the left, which is a left shift key, and which is a shift key being placed at the right, which is a right shift key. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to press and hold the left shift key. So let me just close this again. Press and hold the shift left shift key in your keyboard, in your physical or built-in keyboard, and the moment you've pressed and hold that, navigate to your window or application that you have opened. Please do a right click, and in this new tab, you would be able to see move size, minimize, maximize, new tab, reopen closed window, and more. And since we'd like to move that here at the desktop, then we need to click on move. Okay? The moment you do it, you just have to navigate here at this lost off window. Please move that here. Okay, please try to move that here at the desktop. So I can see it here. Okay, being placed at the desktop. Now the next thing that you need to do is you need to press and hold the shift key once again. Navigate to that application. Please do a right click and this time you need to go with this option called maximize. Click on it and in that way you have just successfully fixed the problem. So if you will adjust the size of this, you can now adjust the size of that by dragging the size here to expand. Okay, moving it from top to bottom to expand the size of this Google Chrome browser in my case, which is the lost off window earlier. Okay, so just have to drag that to the left and here to the right. Okay, so that's it. Once you're satisfied, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.